Super pumped to have Wooly here next to me. We've got a TT1 coming up on the auction site pretty soon. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, well, I mean, what I know about it was that it was built in the 80s, and it's a correct TT1. It has a Panta motor with Falcon crank, Gorilla rods. I just had the heads completely redone at J Precision, which they weld everything up and they CNC machine port, D-ports, and bathtub cylinder. Had pistons. The motor is top notch. It's just everything done. I was going to race it at Isle of Man, and it just became one thing after another, and I'm not going to make it. So I'm selling it, but it's in its original patina as built back in the 80s, and so there's a few little star cracks and things like that. But I decided not to address that stuff because it's so nice. The bike was originally he started with a set of cases from Ducati. They were unstamped, so he was able to stamp the cases. The bike has a title and a pink slip. It's actually street legal. So it's probably the only one in the world.
We've got the factory carbs that are going to go with it as well, right?
Yep, we've got a brand new set of Melosi carburetors.
And we also have a tail light assembly that can go on
Correct.
it, right?
License plate, tail light
It's carbon
assembly.
fiber, wasn't it? If I remember
Yep,
right.
yep.
Carbon fiber assembly. We're going to put that on there as well. Let's hear it start. Let's do that.